And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 42. Let me show you how you can adjust the canvas. If we go to image size, you can see this is a very small image. And let's just say we want to use it in a YouTube video, so we may want to resize that to 16:9. We use 1920 x 1080. And we confirm. And we have two problems now. Number one is we have the stretched effect again that we've had in our last tutorial already. So the photo doesn't have the aspect ratio of 16:9, therefore the photo gets stretched to make 16:9 happen. And the second issue is that we lose a little bit of sharpness because the resolution is so low of the original image. And by sizing it up, it now gets a little bit blurry. When I press Ctrl Z, I go back to the original size and now go to image canvas size. And here I set it to 1920 x 1080 first. And we have our image with the original size, and now the canvas is just bigger. Now we have two options. First option, we don't care about the resolution. We can press Ctrl T and then resize this image. Press Enter, and now it's not stretched anymore. So we've gotten around our first problem. As I've said, we still lose the sharpness a little bit because of the resolution of the original. If you want to get around that too, let me press Ctrl Z. What you can do is just to select this area via the marquee tool. Make sure that you only stay inside of the image, then go to select and inverse. This selects the outer part, and then we go to window, open our contextual text bar. Click on generate a fill, we leave the prompt empty and just confirm via generate. And this will now let Photoshop's AI do the work in the background, and we get sharp results. By default you'll get 3 variations to choose from, but this would be another way to adjust your image after adjusting the canvas size to your needs. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.